this is the end result, guys. This is our garlic butter cheesy bread. It looks so good. Can you see how bomb that looks, guys? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so this is for baby's Chanel and this is for baby's Cara. I'm just gonna pack everything now, guys. Welcome to another episode with Cardin Family. Today we'll be making some garlic butter bread with some cheese and some avocado at the sides. So let's get started. This has been properly washed. My hands has been washed as well. I'm just gonna chop this up. Yeah, I'll be using some unsalted butter. Just gonna put this in the microwave for a couple of seconds and I'll preheat the oven. Cheese now. Gather bread. dope, guys.
Mom just made very young stummy. Oh my gosh.
Baby. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Are we eating this?
It looks so good, guys.
Thank you, Mommy, so much.
You're welcome.
Love you. Thank you, Mommy, so much. Shouldn't see them eating the fruits.
Oh my God, Shin.
I want to eat so bad.
I know. I want to take a picture.
Oh, so good. So good, guys. This looks like garlic bread.
Yeah, it's garlic bread.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby. Yeah, guys, let me take a picture, then I'll continue. It would definitely taste so good. You should give it a try if you've never tried it before.
I don't want to put it on.
Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna pack your stuff.
Mom, do you put bread inside?
Some 2 strawberries.
Oh, bad. You got. Yay.
Ooh. Please, I want to know how many pieces you guys would prefer. I'm putting 2 pieces each. Is that enough?
Yes, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, beautiful.
I want 2, sir.
Do you want more? Do you want 3 or you want 2?
I want 2.
You want 2? Okay. Do you want some sauce on the sides? Like some mayo or some ketchup?
I want to buy.
You want some mayo?
I think I know.
What do you want?
I want Milo.
My Chanel, what do you want, please?
Cut Milo.
Yeah.
I think I have like ketchup.
You want ketchup?
But it's not ketchup. Is it done? Because you're choosing your own thing. And because this one, just your own thing. Mommy's the best mom.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's not all. Thank you so much. It's love you so much, Mommy. I love you. I love you.
I love you too, baby. You're so cute. You're so kind. And I love you so much. So, guys.
Thank you or something?
Oh, Shane said thank you.
No. Like I'm just talking about like he always says "Aki." I'm just gonna always cheat him. Take you. Aki.
So this is Susie Chanel's. This is what she's gonna be having. And this is what your one and only baby Scarra will be having. Guys, look at that. Can you see how bomb that looks? So good.
Because
I don't know, Papa.
I think it's too big. No, it's because she
I put
put
in
it
the wrong.
the color.
You know I did that the other day.
This is this. It's so funny when you put it. She also put a lot of fruits in. She put apple juice. Apple is healthy. Juice is not healthy. She put strawberries, I think. Wait. Apple juice is kind of healthy because there's apple inside.
Kind of, but not healthy.
That's because there's a juice. Apple juice. See? But they actually kind of put apples in there. Now it's yeah, they blend up the apples and I think they also put sugar. Yes, that's
A lot of sugar.
inside the apple. Baby, we could just wait. If the juice is filled up with apple juice, we have to just throw all the sugar and everything. The juice. Okay, God. I love God.
How are you?
Good. I love God.
We all love God. Did you pray this morning?
And this morning, if people say bad words to God, that means they're going to hellfire.
Straight hellfire.
they're going to the devil, and the devil's gonna make them suffer, and so they can like.
Let me have your backpack, please.
And you're gonna be crying. No. You're gonna work for.
Hurry up, please. 2 backpacks, hurry up.
What the devil?
Yeah, hurry.
Susie, what the devil says, if we are just stay backwards, God is good straight to hellfire. No, and they go. If they do bad things, when they die, they're going to go to the fire. Not when you die and then you just go straight. Then you have to die, and then you see God and the devil, and then they take you to the fire. That's it. Dad. And even if you're a bad kid, you're going straight to go. Then after the devil was.
Skyra. Position up. And now let me make something for your boy.
Shane.
Something for your boy, Shane.
So cute, baby. Hey, Mama.
I love you too, Papa.
He kind of looks so cute. Every time when he says 1,000 times thank you, which is good for Shane.
Yeah, it's a good boy. It's a very good boy.
And even his cheeks are very fluffy. Fluffy.
Shane, what do you want? Some mayo or some ketchup?
I would like some ketchup. Ketchup, please. Bami, make you don't give me. I will.
I'm putting some ketchup. And that's for your boy, Shane. Now I'm heading to drop Skyra. I'll come back, pick up Chanel, and drop her off. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Oh, we have to do an outfit check. Turn around. Change your style. Ooh. Look in front.
Thank you, Mommy, for making my food. I love you.
I love you too, baby. You're so cute. One and only baby, Skyra.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Put on your bag. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back for Chanel. Peace out. The guests ready. Ooh, cool. Oh, cool. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching.
Have an amazing day. Don't forget to like and follow.
So for hubby, we are having some toasted eggs and some bacon. Then he's gonna be having it with the toasted bread. I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done. So this is it. And yes, guys, this is the end result. This is what hubby is gonna be having for breakfast. The kids already had theirs, and he's gonna be having some strawberry smoothie. Here's some bacon, some eggs, some toasted garlic bread, some guacamole, and some avocado. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.